hopefully this audio works. I've been thinking it's my mic adapter. I made plans to get another mic adapter. It seems that it's this mic. So I actually am going to try to wire a different mic into this helmet. But for now, it's Thursday. So up to the Shark Club I go. What's up, Wolfpack? Welcome back. God, I hope this audio works. I am tired of messing with my helmet audio. This episode, like all episodes, is brought to you in part by Boomer's Bike Shop. Boomer put me on my Harley, and he can put you on one too. Go see Boomer, tell him WIGSLY sent you. I'm on my way up to see Boomer right now up at the Shark Club. Tonight's the Mid Summer Hoe Down. What are we doing here, guys? Not exactly sure what all that was. I wasn't about to wait. Yeah, tonight's the middle of summer bike night. This is the halfway point to where it's all over for the year. Boomer's throwing a big ass party there, so up to Shark Club I go. Sorry, guy behind me. I know I totally cut you in line. It seemed ridiculous. So I want to talk to you guys about some changes. I have not been keeping to my regular upload schedule. I have not been keeping my promise to you, my audience, to produce content consistently. It's because I got some personal stuff going on. I've had some medical stuff going on. I've been sick as a dog. Whenever the seasons change, I know this is not scientific at all, but every time the seasons change, I get sick. Also, big life change. I am single for the first time in some years. I had a girlfriend, longtime girlfriend, committed girlfriend. I now don't. You know, we still care about each other, blah, blah, just going separate ways. I hate this damn corner because it's so bumpy. Everybody's so antsy this time of day on this patch of road. But yeah, I've been, come on, dude. Boo. I'm in my lane, bro. I shouldn't have to hit my brakes for you. A bunch of personal stuff. And so I've been kind of readjusting and reorganizing my life and my workflow. And I've got some cool stuff coming up here on the channel. And I'm working on it behind the scenes. That's another thing, is I'm trying to produce not necessarily just consistent content, but my content needs to be better to make you want to watch it. So I'm working on all that. So I want to talk about something really quick. Joe Rogan caught some flack, as Joe Rogan does every time he opens his damn mouth. If you don't know who Joe Rogan is, he's the Fear Factor guy, and he commentates UFC fights. He has the biggest podcast in the world. He is Daddy Podcast. He is Team Content, and hashtag Vegan Cat. They were watching a video of two guys on sport bikes, and they're on a highway, like an expressway, and they're raised up, they're on a bridge. And the one dude, they're cutting traffic, they're weaving. The one dude hits his brakes. The guy behind him reacts, not quite in time, slides into the guy in front of him, hits the guardrail, goes over. It's totally like a 100-foot drop. The guy died. He did die later of complications, or so I have read on the internets, which take that with a grain of salt. I mean, he's watching the video, and he doesn't ride motorcycles. He does not understand what he's talking about. But he's not wrong in his reaction. His reaction's pretty basic. It's, why they gotta ride like that? I don't understand. And then the guy goes over and he goes, oh shit, that guy's definitely dead. And you know, they watched it back a couple more times. He's like, yeah, that guy probably died, dude. That's not a joke. That's a huge fall. I'm pretty sure that guy's dead. And he ended up being right. And in outrage culture, everybody's got to get on the internet and act like Joe Rogan gives a shit if you approve of what he says or what jokes he makes. He wasn't making a joke. Straight up, condolences to the guy's family. That's a terrible tragedy. It is hard to watch the video. So, oh my god, how easy it would be to go right over. I mean, the guy, he hits the guardrail going 25. He'd slowed down good enough to where he actually probably was going to come out of that wobble. It's just the wobble sent him over the guardrail, man, and he died. And Joe Rogan was not making a joke, and I don't feel that his comments were inappropriate. Mid Summer Hoe Down, baby. There's already a good amount of bikes out here. Let's do a little sweep. Let's check everybody out. I am going to park where I always park, which is wherever I want. I'm excited about free barbecue. Nobody throws a party like Boomer.
bike show. We got the shirts to give away. And more stuff coming at you. Hope you're having a good time. Right here. We're going to set that room all up there and we're going to collect blood. We're doing a blood drive here. It's our first annual ride for blood. A lot of people have been getting hurt. A lot of people need blood. We're going to be doing it right here. On August 25th, we're going to do a escorted ride and come back here and have a dinner provided for you. And we're going to give out blood for people that need it.
Tonight was a good ass bike night at the Shark Club. It's the Mid Summer Hoe Down. There is a shit ton of bikes here. I had a lot of fun. Josh and Boomer have been letting me judge which trophies to give away, which is cool and fun. Ooh, bare bones, baby. Yeah, look at all these goddamn bikes. So if this is your first time on this channel, this is the kind of content you can expect. Going and hanging out with lots of people, around other bikes, bike nights, events, charity rides. If you're new here, consider clicking the subscribe button. Make sure you also ring that notification bell so that you know when I drop new content and you can see it first. Give her a big old thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't really give a shit, but you gotta do something. You know why you gotta do something? Because it's my channel, and I'm in charge, and you're not. Thanks for stopping by, thanks for checking things out. I am WIGSLY, that was the Shark Club, and I will see you on the road.